Hey YouTube, what's going on? It's your girl TT Logan and I'm back again with another video. My foundation came out so pretty. Like, I just stepped completely out of my comfort zone and I went with the Juvia's Place stick foundations today. I'm so excited about that. So with that being said, I'm clearly full of myself right now and I'm really loving this, y'all. I'm really happy with how this whole look came out. So I'm gonna try something new today. Instead of using my Juvia's Place Legos foundation, instead of using this, because this is my ride or die, I'm gonna try the Juvia's Place stick foundations. So I have Nambia and I have Cameroon. They look like this. I'm gonna use both of those for the outside of my, the inside and outside of my face. I'm gonna highlight with Adidas Ababa, and then Tunisia I'm gonna contour with that, and that's how that one looks. So let's see how this look, y'all. I'm interested. I'm just gonna take Cameroon to like the inner part of my face. This is actually not a bad match altogether. So I'm just kind of experimenting, y'all. I'm curious to see how this gonna look. So Nambia, I'm gonna put on the lower parts of my face, well, outer parts. I think that's enough. I'm not sure how I should blend it. So I'm gonna stick to what I know and just go in with my e.l.f. powder blurring brush. I use this one for foundation, but I also like the ultimate blending brush. I think I'm gonna use this one though, the blurring brush, and see how that do. This might be pretty, y'all. What y'all think? I think that look good. What? Y'all, this really don't look bad. But let me tell y'all a funny freaking story. I never go out with my makeup on. Like, I don't know why that is, but y'all, I had did my makeup for my birthday and I got ready to leave the house, right? And somebody, I heard like somebody else open their door. And when I heard the people open the door, y'all, I promise, I kid you not, I slammed my front door back shut because I didn't want nobody to see me made up. Like, I don't know. I think I've been like this from little. Like, my mama used to tell me all the time. People used to be like, oh, you so pretty, you so pretty. And she said, I used to tell them, leave me alone. I don't know what's wrong, y'all. I really have to get it together. So I'm taking Adidas Ababa to highlight now. I think that's a nice highlight shade, but I put a whole lot. I hardly ever do this much highlight, but because of the sake that I done did it on one side, maybe put just a little bit right here. And I guess I'll go ahead and put my contour down as well. I don't want to do too much because, you know, it's my first time trying this. That's nice. I am like so shocked that I've never tried this. I done had this foundation for so long. I don't know, y'all. Like, I really just been like rummaging through my makeup the past few days, just saying like how I like, it's almost like I have a habit of buying makeup and it's like I sit it to the side and either I'll forget about it or I get tied to like one thing and just never really even think to reach for my other products anymore. And it's really been on my mind, like, why do I do that? Now mind y'all, I did my makeup yesterday and I'm usually really good about, you know, washing my brushes and stuff like that. But I was in a rush and I ended up just putting my brushes to the side. But me trying to continue to be productive, I just was like, I'm not going to even worry about washing my brushes because then I have to wait on them to dry. I just was like, well, you know, just use them again today and then I wash them after I'm done. So say that to say this brush actually do have a little bit of, you know, the other concealers by Juviav. This one is number 12. What is this one called? It has a little bit of that on there, not that shade of course, but that looks really, really good. It's really soft. I'm liking this, y'all. And it's actually a better match because yesterday when I put my Legos foundation on, it was kind of looking green. Like, I don't know, it was just looking weird. But it is wintertime, so maybe that's got something to do with it. So I'm taking my Kalahari powder and my RCMA No Color powder, and I'm just gonna press all of this part in, all my highlighted areas. I used these two powders yesterday and I talked about them in my video. So I have the Ulta Beauty Matte Finishing Powder. So I'm using Deep Neutral on the outer parts and then the Tan to Deep Warm on the inside where I just put that other powder. I'm just gonna press that in. And I'm gonna use these powders for a while before I really give like a review, but so far I'm liking them. It just kind of give like this airbrush look and it's really, really pretty. So I'm kind of just putting this powder now to set the rest of my face. Okay, so now using my Morphe 35O palette that I won in a Facebook challenge. If y'all don't follow Addicted to Beauty on Facebook, it's a makeup group and they do challenges every week and you get some kind of prize. If it's like a makeup palette, or they just always do some type of incentive on Sundays. They announce the winners and through the week they do like the they'll announce the new challenge. It's a really, really nice group. I like it. I've won, you know, a few prizes through them. It's really fun. They're interactive and it's like really beginner friendly. All you have to do is just be very respectable of everybody and just interact in the community. You can post your makeup products that you won. You can post purchases, different stuff, and just talk amongst other people that are into makeup and stuff like that. It's really nice. And it's called Addicted to Beauty on Facebook. So from that palette, I'm taking this middle brown shade right here, right smack dab in the middle, and that's what I've been contouring with. I always use like Morphe eyeshadows to contour my face. See how nice and warm that is? I like that a lot. Okay, so moving on, I'm gonna go ahead and use my Anglola highlight again from the CrayonCase. It's so pretty. When I tell y'all, This highlight don't play no games. Like, I'm just gonna use what's in the cap, and that's even, look at all that. Watch. Watch what this do. Girl, you got to be careful with this. I'm gonna highlight the middle of my face, and I like to use either these three or these three. I think today I'm gonna use white sand, snow, and hot sand. See how that works. Well, I'm gonna take Abby with a very, very, very light hand. And I'm gonna just come back here. Like so. Okay, now I'm gonna take Toby and maybe a little bit of Nano, and I'm gonna go between all of that. Okay, let's make my little beauty marks. And we'll do lips. I just made 2 dots by mistake. But anyway, so I used to have a little Monroe right there. Y'all used to have so many. So I really hope y'all enjoyed this makeup look. Don't forget to share, like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on your notification bell so you don't miss my upload. Tell your friends to become my friends so we can all be friends.